Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday daw, Pam. Naglibog sila. Happy birthday, Ma'am Eva. Happy birthday, Jade. Oh, Jade naman.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. More birthday. More blessings to you. O, kunta, makaman ka sa imong pag-eskwela. Madugay na nami ma'am. Na nami teacher. God bless you. More blessings to you. And always good health. Peace of mind. Kunta. More blessings mabot sa imong pamilya. Na makasupport niya sa imong pag-eskwela, pagpadayon. Lang. Happy birthday once again.